What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. For a day a long time, thank for the support. And if I follow for the first time, thank for the support as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. You see me? In the video, I'm going to show you mommy a boil stew peas, right? Or I prepare stew peas. And I say I'm going to help her and film some of it, make you see how we boil stew peas Jamaican style or in the country, you see me? But I pretty much the same how everybody boil it anyways. Yeah. Most person or most man don't eat stew peas because they must say yo stew peas are Thai food, you see me? I eat woman use and time and all that, so most man don't eat it because of the stigma behind it, you see me? But me love stew peas. Stew peas are one of my favorite meal. I enjoy eating it, right? And I don't really believe that when the body has say, you see me, a woman can tell you in any way she want if she will do that. You see me, but and that we come to talk about. Guys, I want to like the video, and comment below and tell me how on prepare for the stew peas. I want to share the video, help the channel grow, help people know about the channel and all that. Help me reach my goal, people. Please me a big one. Share the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm saying before. For the IG, Jip876 and Yasta Adventures. Scroll along, look in bio, no, in description. You see two link. Just click it, go over there and give me a follow. You see me? Because before I post on YouTube, I snippet always post on IG. So who from IG we see what I got before actually post on YouTube. You see me? So just do right, man. I'm gonna say like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed. I'm gonna jump right away now. Pigtail there, boil out salt out of it. Okay, I don't know say boil my salt, that kind of food. But you don't boil too much though. And some people boil out too much salt, some salt again, and saltfish. 2 minutes to boil it, and then you boil all the salt out of it. That makes sense. I don't know your chicken foot. Cut off the toes now for it. Yeah, nice chicken foot. They're not too big and they're not too small. Alright guys, so time now put everything in a pressure pot. Say the pigtail. I don't know, chicken foot, chicken and all that. I don't call the chicken name small because I don't know say it have pressure already, so I don't want they mash out too much. You see me? Because I don't know say the pigtail and chicken foot and the peas take a longer time to cook than the chicken, so when I cook the chicken in big, no small, we cook them big. Yeah. It's one time when you know much small, when you're smaller and get stew peas, when you're paying for stew peas, you wish you can get a big piece. Now, when you're big now, you can buy whatever you want and buy more. So you say, oh, you want pound or 2 pound feed, you can buy the 2 pound, and after you say, oh, you get a little piece. When you get a little piece, you can't complain. You have to take it because you will get beaten. So, as you go back in the days when you're small, I went time you go people yard and then get stew peas. Sometimes then get a little piece of pigtail and you want more enough, but you can't say nothing because you will not provide. So you have to take what you get. So, this now have enough pigtail in it. Pan pigtail, 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 pigtail. Okay, enough pigtail. Okay, pigtail for days, man. Yeah, man, enough chicken foot. Because me, you know, me like enough chicken foot now. Yeah, man. So this now, I don't know what you in the garlic and them thing there and make it pressure down now. You see me? So, man, link on the back when time they pressure and show no what go on. Yeah. You don't know you can put a turkey neck, you can put chicken neck and them thing that nice soapy, same way. You see me? You can put whatever meat you want tonight. I don't know. We have coconut milk. You can't cook stew peas and have coconut milk tonight. That can't go well, you see me? But there's some people, you know, they don't use coconut milk tonight, you know. They just boil down with water all the way. No. Coconut milk. I forgot my stew peas. Cause coconut milk give a nice flavor. That's additional flavor, you see me so. Can't cook stew peas without coconut milk. When you see that, everything pressure now. So one thing is one now are the coconut milk and the little dumpling them. Some people call them tungo tail. And if you put the flour and water and throw in it fit, take it up, you see me? Or some people use Irish potato. So them are starch. So you put in Irish potato for your pressure. The big tail and so you mash out. So you have Irish potato, you can use the flour or can use starch. Anyone you choose. And this can drink same so because I like pea soup now. See look at dumpling you know. And rice there I go and steam same it. So rice basically done steam now, you know. So I just stew open now. So I throw the flour in it. So you don't know say within about 20 minutes you finish because the flour cook. So flour time now, you know. You get thick up. I don't know say Maggi season everything is already. Stew peas. Some man like them for the car and say, I'm not tired them. Yeah guys, so my stew peas here. So my shell is done now. I don't know. I put it on a plate here so you can eat out some. Cover it up. Because I'm really hungry. You see me so. Me eat about half of this now. I'm not about to eat it till later. I'm hungry. So you don't know, leave a like, share the video, help the channel grow, subscribe if you're new. Catch you in the next video.